Hello guys, hope you will be fine. Today I will give you some tips on how to sell your product online. Most of people getting bored with their no sale, less views, and minimum subscribers. Everyone feels stress on these kind of problems. So don't worry, I am here for you. I have read many kind of books on these type of weakness. So, stay calm and watch the full video. Dear followers, do you know how many people used the internet till December 2019? Statistics reveal that 4,574,150,134 people surfed the net to gather information. Reports reveal that 58% of the people conducted product research. However, internet users are bombarded with information in a single click. With as many as 4,574,150,134 active websites as recorded till December 2019, how do you ensure that you stand out? You need to brush up your online marketing skills to maximum profits, ensure a good customer base and carve a niche for yourself. Get in touch with customers globally and become an instant success. A simple website to inform people about your products and services can be set up for less than $700. However, to establish your brand, merely setting up a website is not enough. Yes, it is true that your present loyal customers will definitely find a means to locate you, but don't you aspire to expand your reach and customer base? Thus, the need to formulate an internet marketing campaign is felt. Stop making shots in the dark and adopt a systemized approach to become a household name globally. Marketing online has many benefits. You can build an interactive relationship between your company and your customers. Reduce your costs of maintaining a physical store. Reduce the cost for advertising, as digital catalogs are more cost-effective to produce than printed ones. Educate people about your domain and inform potential customers about your business. Customers who contact you online are more likely to make a purchase from your website, as they have gone through the effort of searching specifically for your product or service from the various other businesses offering the same. Update information on your website easily and quickly. You can alter details such as the availability of products and changes in price and promotion techniques as per current market situations. Reach out to a global audience for your product or service. Invest into your internet marketing smartly and reap the maximum benefits of this opportunity. Get to know about the most common mistakes that people make in internet marketing, so that you know what to avoid and can earn the maximum returns on your investment. Target your market appropriately and incorporate elements into your website that will yield you the maximum benefits. Reap benefits from a powerful online marketing strategy in real time. Understand the success or failure of your internet marketing strategy quickly and quite easily. Conduct competition research, enabling you to understand what is working for your competitor and how you can better your campaign. Analyze spheres where you can improve to market yourself better. However, all this can be done only if you know what to include and what to avoid for successfully marketing yourself online. It is time you avoid the big internet marketing mistakes. Steer free from the competitive bracket. Make your presence felt online. You do not need to be an expert in internet marketing to do this. All you need to know is things to avoid while formulating your internet marketing campaign. Establish your presence online today. Sharpen your skills and become an industry giant. Popularize your brand, increase your customer base and earn massive profits. Worried you may not like the book? Have no fear, as your interests are protected by a 100% money-back guarantee. Still wondering if you should go ahead with this buy? Take the plunge. Buy the book today. You will be refunded completely if you do not find the read satisfying. This is a risk-free offer. You have absolutely nothing to lose. No questions asked, no answers required. All your money will be refunded. Just email us within 30 days of purchase if you are unsatisfied. Where else will you get such an offer to buy a unique and helpful guide, and that too, in such a hassle-free scheme? Good opportunities do not land at your doorstep twice. Grab the offer before it gets too late. Ignore this risk-free offer today and you could regret this decision all your life. This is a limited period offer. Before you know it, the book will become out of stock. The prices offered now are low as part of an introductory offer. Ignore it today and you may miss out on this brilliant opportunity forever. Do not let doubt take away your chance to be a market leader. Do not let indecisiveness make you stand behind competition. Order today and know what not to do while marketing online to earn huge profits. Order today, your transaction is secured. Order the book today, your transaction and personal details are secured. Reach new heights by marketing your business online. All you need to do for this is to download Avoid the Big Internet Marketing Mistakes now. We will also provide you many free bonuses in this product like Google AdSense A to Z. For the last couple of years, Google AdSense has dominated forums, discussions, and newsletters all over the internet. Already, there are tales of fabulous riches to be made and millions made by those who are just working from home. It seems that Google AdSense have already dominated the internet marketing business and is now considered the easiest way to making money online. Automated email funnel: how to create a profit-generating automated email marketing funnel. What you will learn inside of this report can be a game changer for your business. There is nothing better than having a highly optimized automated email funnel making you profits day in and day out. In this guide, I will walk you through the steps of the automated email funnel system. Search engine optimization domination strategies and tips: increase quality traffic to your website with search engine optimization tips and strategies that will increase your search engine ranking. We enable you to avoid costly trial and error mistakes by learning directly from SEO experts who tell you how it is done. Understanding search engine optimization (SEO) is a crucial skill that enables you to maximize search engine traffic through a variety of marketing channels. It is more than just stuffing keywords into the text but requires real knowledge of exactly how the search engines operate and staying up to date on their latest changes. The information provided in this ebook is the same knowledge used by SEO professionals who might charge you thousands of dollars to handle this for you. Thanks for your precious time and do not forget to check the description.